Okay, now we've created an obvious problem with my car. I've given it a vacuum leak, so the idle is idling very rough. We're going to show that this condition does not match either the baseline or the other condition with the AC on. So, once again, this is going to be a diagnostic test for 1 minute. And we hit start. The test is about to come to a close. And we will compare all of our known conditions. This was, once again, an idle test. It says that we have a little bit of a match to the baseline, but not a strong match. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, we can see that we have three very different conditions here. We have the red line, which is the rough idle that's running right now. That's the latest test. We have the green line, which is the normal condition with the AC on, and the blue line, which is considered the baseline of a normal condition with the AC off. Obviously, we have three very different conditions, and the plots show the differences.